Come, let us prepare, make some good profits. Today, our market left us some clues right here. Let's talk about that in today's video. 1106 right here. Take a look. 1106, which was here. This was 1106. This is a live analysis in the Discord server. It's the exact same thing that I warned you about on Friday, isn't it? And all you had to do was to wait for that yellow rhythm. As you can see, penny perfect right there. That beautiful. And then show the pattern over here. Now, what will other people see? Once again, I talked about this on the weekend video. Other people would have seen this coming. They would have seen double bottom, strong green candles, and they will start to chase long. And that's where they boil you alive here, right there. Now, I explained this very exact structure right here. And this time we had the yellow algorithm, right? So this was at 11:06 a.m. timestamp right here. I talked about this in yesterday's video. I will put the link in the description. Please watch that because I've already talked about this in detail. So there's no need to talk about that more right here. It's the exact same layout, isn't it? This was at 155 and 155 was about here. This was 155 and you see how it's the exact same thing. You have the yellow algorithm here. You had another second yellow algorithm and one more at the break of pink. You notice right at the break of pink, it had stronger selling volume right there, all because you understood how to be looking out for the algorithm. Now, nothing more to say this. You have to check yesterday's video out if you have not, because I explained everything here, including how we started selling right at the morning. You need to understand the context behind this. So please watch yesterday's video and let's talk about where do we go from here. Watch yesterday's video after this one because this is quite important. You need to take a look first. Now, understand that we are still in that selling continuation, isn't it? And 5-day is still trending down. Now, this will make more sense if you watched yesterday's video, so please do that later and you have a better understanding on what I mean by a supply overhang. So do check that out later. Now, tomorrow you will firstly need to see if we continue to have that selling continuation structure right there. Now, we barely broke blue, so the market may take some time to grind in that orange or green, and so that's absolutely possible. So just be more mindful of that. Look out for that selling continuation. The selling may not even be that intense if there is no catalyst, so just be more